Addition is your solution. Meet Katie. She's Director of Great Sights. Her day is about to get worse.
Do you have the flu again? Okay, that's fine. Take care of yourself.
Meet Hedda. She is one of Addition's super subs who is waiting for the call. She's enthusiastic, qualified, and comes with our 100% reliability guarantee. Meet me. I'm Brenda Screen. My company, Addition, is passionate about adding impact to your team in the far north. Short or long term, we add value to your business. We're experts at adding high calibre staff at short notice. We take the hard work and headache away so you can get back to what really matters, running your business. Security, qualification, references, reliability, OSH awareness. Are you looking for work? Addition is always after super subs to add value to our great clients. You are assured of workplace safety, fair rates, and training opportunities. Addition has an app which brings everything to your fingertips. Our website, networks, and presentations. It makes it easy to access all our services. Katie loved her qualified super sub. Hedda added energy and impact to Katie's team and was offered further work. Adding great people to great workplaces means everybody wins.